Renee.
But that's what it looks like.
Grandma, you taking me to Chuck E. Cheese tomorrow?
Don't buy it.
What?
But that's what it looks like.
Hey.
I know this sign.
She said she is excited.
This is 136 and 45. This still, it don't look right, do it?
Huh?
It don't look right, do it?
Yeah, she won. She did.
They said 10,000 on this one
She.
and 10,000 on that one, so I know we'll know when we go see.
You know,
Oh my God.
she said she gonna. I was gonna ask, you gonna take me to Chuck E. Cheese? She said I'm gonna buy Chuck E. Cheese. Mama. I got bad news.
What? It don't.
Let me see.
It ain't either. No, that
It
don't.
says, listen to this. Overall odds 1 in 10 that you are actually wearing overalls. 0 in 99 trillion. This is actually money. This is not a real lottery ticket. Prize about under $50 may be redeemed.
man,
No
y'all
location.
crazy.
Listen to this where you sitting in at.
Oh,
Prize
man.
is over $100. Please mail them in to Fake Lottery Prize Center, 101 Dream Street, Foolsville, New York.
Oh, man.